So they got 2 DDs.
Mm-hmm.
And I think the Gumo is the bigger threat to us with torps.
Well, Yugamo's a. Is that,
gonna go ahead.
Yeah, that's
a torp boat.
No, that's a gunboat. That's not
Groningen is gunboat. Groningen is gunboat. Yugamo is stealth torp.
Groningen has.
Wait, is the Yugamo below the Shima?
Yes.
Okay, I'm sorry.
But it's torps.
I'm trying to remember. Yeah.
So where are we going? B to C? We're gonna do B to C, or are we gonna try to do B and A?
I
think BC maybe and somebody's
All right, let's do it. All right, BC.
One destroyer to A, and he takes A from up here.
I will. I guess I'll head. We doing a C?
Z.
Yeah, we're gonna go BC. Yep.
All right, I'm gonna head towards C because I'm over here. So give me some battleships and let's.
I'm right behind you.
I'm with you, kids.
Affirmative. Wait, shit! I thought I had. What? Why did I think I had radar? I only have hydro. Sorry.
Well, I was wondering because it's a Kraut cruiser and they don't have the radar.
Yeah, I've been drinking a lot of beer. Sorry. Wrong ship.
Okay. So. I think I missed something. I thought one was going to A. Maybe not.
Yeah,
I think the Z23 probably got you heading straight towards straight to A.
Well, he'll cap B and then go to A.
Yeah, I'll go to A and I'll do from the top, and then I'll try to get in from the side or whatever.
Roger.
But if
this
fast.
So Yuri, get us some eyes.
Shit, they're already in C. Look at that. Well, that's kind of like okay.
Well, that's because
Yeah, that was our B. So gotcha. All good.
Engine boost activated.
I feel like we can take their battleships. Now, don't forget, Key has frickin' torpedoes.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon.
So that's a problem. Don't.
Yeah,
I think it's 7K torps.
10 clicks. 10 clicks on his.
Is it 10 clicks? Oh shit. That's right. Mutsu's like 7.
No shit.
Yes. I mean, there's only 2 per side, but still, that's just stuff you're not thinking about. All right.
Any of them have radar. None of them have radar.
Oh.
Smoke generator started.
Well, we see where they're all headed, so let's try to get a little crossfire going because I am getting focused every single shit I have right now.
Oh, their cruiser's freaking almost sitting dead in the water. Oh, La Bamba, you're not gonna like life.
Well, I hope you all do something because I am getting focused like a motherfucker, so. Alright, switching towards the key.
Okay, they got something coming to A.
I'm sorry, I gotta get the fuck out of Dodge because they're all focusing me. The 4 ships focused on me right now.
Oh, Yugamo. Hello.
Oh, I'm getting focused now. That's awful.
Yeah, they switched from me to somebody else. Thank God. Because I can't take much more of it.
Torpedoes to starboard.
All I know is I'm probably going to eat torps from that frickin' Jap battleship, but that's alright. Oh, I'm going to frickin' jack that North Carolina up. Come on, baby. Give me some reloads.
I say.
Come on, come on, come on. Keep coming, you dumbass.
Bitch slapping this key right here, so let's focus him and get rid of him.
Uh-oh, I just fucked up.
Alright, let's go. Let's get on the next. Let's focus the next one. North Carolina? What are we thinking?
Yes, North Carolina.
Richelieu or North Carolina?
North Carolina's hurt worse, I think.
Richelieu's got like... Oh, they're 6 1/2. Oh wait, North Carolina it is.
I'm fixing to shoot that frickin' cruiser that's lighting my ass up.
Maybe that Yugamo's got a friend.
Fuck, I was hitting the wrong turn button. God damn it.
I hate it when that happens.
I was turning the wrong fucking way.
The North Carolina's almost dead.
Odin, are you torping somebody just running through there like a YOLO, motherfucker? Go get him, Chuck. Get him, Chuck, get him.
Oh boy. Groningen's up.
Nice.
Alright, there we go.
Nice, let's go, let's go. Let's start the evening off right.
Groningen has no torps, so they're pretty much...
Nope, exactly. I'm going to switch to HE. I can't believe they didn't kill me.
I don't know how
That's
that
like
whole running through that, like Odin, like the god, man. You just run that shit like nothing's gonna hurt.
Oh, I'm going to frickin' jack their cruiser up in a second.
I could use help with this.
That's what I want.
Well, this will use the journey, always say, full speed ahead, don't stop.
No, absolutely, Chuck.
No, that was the exact right thing to do. That actually saved my ass.
Because they didn't know what they didn't know whether to shit or go blind with you coming through there.
We just need to cap C and the game's over. Where's the Guma? Okay, so we don't have any torp threat for us for a while.
He was on the other side of C somewhere.
Well, he's going to be... Chuck, are you in Odin? So he may be out in the middle where that cruiser is because it was over by A earlier, unless he stayed at
Yeah,
A.
I got him. He's going to torp me.
Are you okay over there with that
No.
You okay over there with that cruiser?
No, I'm done. He's gonna fuck me up.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm getting as fast as I can.
No,
But,
don't stress it, man. Don't stress it.
no, I know. I'm just going as fast as I can, but
Well, all we got to do is cap C and the game's over.
you don't want to fuck with me. My cruiser's better than his.
Yeah.
Just saying.
Oh, nice.
Oh, nice. Groningen's gone. It's all but over now. Oh, very nice. Oh, there we go.
Damn!
Sweet.
Good job, fellas. Okay.
That's the ball game right
Sweet.
there.
Absolutely. It's going to make me want to get another beer.
Oh, there's somebody to shoot.
Mine.
That's
Any
it.
more? Let's go.
Yeah,
Good game,
boys.
folks. Good game, guys.
Oh, they got some secondaries too.
That mine's dangerous.
Palmer and Biz Palmer. What? Palmer's got 6 for 64, man.
So don't forget, Lo Yang has hydro and deep water torps, so
Okay.
they can't torp our DDs. But they got another Gumo, so that's a problem. And they got mercenaries. Let's do CB again, and then one over to A, like you did. What do you think?
I'll go with A.
All right.
Yeah, sound good?
Kosak's got
Alright.
concealment that he's better off being your eyes, whereas
Yeah.
I've got smoke and hydro. So at least run away.
Right. All right. So Yuri, you got cap and C and pushing out to spot B for us.
All right, I'm sorry. Where am I going? My wife was talking to me.
We're all
You know
going
how
to
that
C.
works.
Everybody
Okay.
to C except for Arg.
He's going to A. Okay, fair enough. Let's do it.
Yep, we're gonna see if we can't kick their ass again.
I play
rock and
alone,
roll.
I'll die alone.
Shit. I'm changing to AP. I had frickin' HE loaded for a minute. Does that Iwami have torpedoes?
Yes, 20
Yep.
clips.
20 click that's just
4
wrong.
per side.
Holy shit.
Kind of a meme.
The Iwami's got 20 click torpedoes? Seriously?
Yeah, 4
That's like
per side.
Shima fucking
Good
torps.
monster, man.
Exactly.
The fuck?
They hit hard,
Exactly.
but they're super detectable. They're easy to dodge.
You can see him from like 2.5 kilometers away.
They're like waving flags saying, "Here I am, here I am."
Yeah, I'm not alone at A. I'm probably going to be facing 3 ships.
Well, just don't get killed.
I'm just going to spam torps. Z-23 is a good boat, man.
Oh yeah. It's my favorite. It's probably my favorite German destroyer.
I'm getting close to that. I got to work my way up. I think I'm.
Yeah, but I've been really liking the Z42. That thing is just a beast with those guns. Holy shit.
I have the one. What's the premium tier 9? What the hell is it? Is it
Z44?
Is it? Yeah, I think I have one of them.
Is it the...
Somebody that was given. I won it in something. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's premium. It's just whatever. I got it in something. After this battle, I'll look up which ones I have.
All right, now let's see what we can do in B. Oh, what's really nice is we've already got a cap advantage because they haven't capped shit. I wonder if they're all going to A.
They might have all gone A.
They might all went A, yeah.
All right, haul ass to B, folks, and get ready to crossfire into A.
Oh, they're in A. They're in A. They're in A.
Careful, Lord.
You got a hard turnaround in the silent.
Hey, I'm spotted. Look at that.
Arg, get your rear end out of there.
Engine boost.
Get the fuck out. Oh, they're in B also, folks.
Oh, a Lo Yang.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, you can freaking dog that shit.
Beat that bitch.
He's slowing down like a mofo. He's barking.
I can't believe it took him that long to get to B. Oh, shit! Shoot that prick. Put my spotter up.
He's got me hydroed.
That means don't want to fuck with me. Over pens, come on.
He's not alone.
Oh, I got 3 overpens on him. That's bullshit.
He's running now because he knows.
Yep.
I'm spotted by and targeted by 2. Pomeran's heading to A.
I got a good hit on that frickin' mains. Oh, you fucking lucky piece of shit. Alright, we gotta push into B.
Oh, we know where all the battleships are, and they're all focusing me right now, folks.
They're all focusing me is what they're doing.
Oh, they just switched. I had 3 of them on.
There's a DD right there. Focus that DD.
Dead ahead.
I meant to say shoot that guy.
There's Lo Yang, 'cause there's no way I'm getting away from him.
Smoke screen set.
I just couldn't hit him from here, to be honest.
I'm gonna die.
Hydro's up over here at B.
I'm hoping I got some hits on that Pomeran to help you out at A. Oh, I got a few. I'm getting focused now. Arg, just go defend C, man.
Trying.
I'd say get dark as you can and just... Oh, come on, Palm.
Run, Forrest, run! Main's just sitting there.
Let's kill that mains.
Oh, fuck yeah, he might have DC'd, I don't even know.
It doesn't matter. Just kill his
I don't
ass.
give a shit, I just lit him up.
Yep,
Like
no mercy, no mercy.
I'm gonna finish him right now.
Kids, kill that DD, man.
I got the other one.
Smoke screen set.
Oh boy, these are gonna leave a fucking mark. Wait, I'm gonna dodge him, I'm missing this bitch. He hit me.
Alright. Let's, I'm gonna turn back and try to help at C, since you guys have got this under control. If I can frickin' turn without stopping. Salty and I are gonna head back towards C to try to defend it. So once y'all deal with that DD, come back around and maybe push at B, or push at
You
A.
sneaky little bitch.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target. Torpedoes dead ahead. Engine boost deactivated.
Chuck, if you can come back around and maybe start focusing on these BBs with us and try to hit that palm, because I think he's going to be broadside to you. I'm going to switch to HE just because he's bow on, and I'm not going to do shit to him with my guns.
Got him. Moving in to help with I got a Monarch in front of me. That's what I'm going to focus.
That's fine.
Just because that's what's here.
I got that Lo Yang chasing me.
Well, I switched to HE, so if he shows himself, I'll flame spray his ass. Because we really don't have to push. Actually, you know what? Do not push.
I'm going to push on this Monarch a little bit because I got torpedoes.
That's fine.
He's on fire. And I just set him on fire.
Yeah, we've got a 300-point lead, so we just got to be smart.
Yep. Gotcha. Fair enough. Ooh, I don't even know if this Monarch might have AFK too.
He might have. He hasn't shot me once.
I'm gonna go torp his ass. I'm gonna get real in tight and close and fuck him up. Why? Because I can.
Thanks for the smoke.
Affirmative. Smoke screen set.
Lo Yang's right on my ass. Salty, you must be seeing him.
Don't worry. I'm
getting hydroed. There's a Lo Yang over here on me.
Yep.
I put my airborne up to see if I could spot him or if he'd shoot at him. Yep, there he is. You see where the smoke's at now. You know where he's at.
Yeah, in my ass.
That's what she says.
Literally 2 clicks away from me. Oh, he whiffed.
So, that's one nice thing about those frickin' planes is at least...
Whammy, slow down.
Bye, Felicia. Next.
Whammy, I got torps going in that smoke.
Do I gotta kill the whole team? I mean, seriously.
Did you hit something?
Boost activated.
Only killed 3 of them so far. I've only killed every fucking ship so far, and I just...
Somebody slapped...
we just weakened them all down for you.
The fucking Palmer.
Listen, the sun shines on a dog's ass every once in a while too, so...
And a blind squirrel finds a nut every once in a while.
Right?
And there goes the Palmer. Next.
And a broken clock is right twice a day.
Exactly.
That's 4. I mean, seriously, come on, boys. What's up?
Just wanted to make you feel good, kids.
Fuck! My torp was just about to take out the again.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we have
Shit, look
tapes
at
up
this.
here, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 BBs, a Baltimore, and a Lightning.
There you go.
So I think we go BA. What do y'all want to do?
I think you guys go BA and Arg's gonna harass E7.
Okay, that works. Alright, everybody, no fucking stopping.
Sure.
This is balls to the wall.
You guys should be in open water. Are you guys gonna go around the islands on the 3 line on the outside?
It's the water's very nice shade of turquoise.
That's gonna be fucking rough, man. I don't envy you there.
What do you think?
Let's go. I got secondaries.
Do you think we should send 5 to C?
I got Gunther in here. I'm like, let's fucking go.
Yes,
no 5
I like...
C. C's 1 cap. We want to concentrate on getting 2 caps.
So I think 2 of us should go wide. At least.
Your fastest ship should go wide.
Well,
I'll go wide.
I mean,
Odin's faster than I am. And I think Palm is faster than me too, probably.
Yeah, I mean, I have 24.8 range. So you tell me where you want me to go wide. I'll go wide because I have the range.
Well,
I can hit
the
whole map.
Come around behind me and go wide around those islands. I will hug the inside of the islands. They're gonna focus the shit out of me. Kiz, where are you going, man?
I thought I was heading towards.
No, you're gonna go wide, B. Like around B.
Right, the front side of the island, though, not the back side of that island.
I think they're pushing A hard, man.
Yeah, they're already in A. Fuck.
I was gonna have you go around so they didn't see you.
Yeah, but then he can't shoot.
Then again, I mean, I go behind that island. I'm screwed. I can't shoot anybody.
I'll lay smoke.
That's the problem.
On the edge of B for you guys.
That'll work. Thank you, Yuri.
Okay, they're coming to C. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, they're sending something to C, but...
Okay, well, the cap times were pretty close. We're not that far behind them, so they may not have sent a bunch of shit to A.
Yeah, literally, it was a half a second.
Yeah.
Hey, maybe we'll get C. There's nobody on C, so let's get it.
Now, there was something over here for a second.
Smoke generator
Focus
started.
at Palm.
Rather focus Baltimore.
I'm gonna shoot the Baltimore.
Yeah, and they said the same thing on me. Focus the palm. Yeah, I need. I'm gonna need
fucking
smoke.
hell!
Their entire team's fucking focused on me. Thank God they can dodge and weave like a motherfucker.
Lightning is about to come.
Smoke screen.
Too low yet, they're lightning, so yeah. I can do what I want.
Who the fuck just sent torps at us?
Torpedoes astern.
Is the lightning over
I don't
here?
know, but I gotta get the fuck away from them.
Over there, yeah.
Shit.
Torpedoes to port.
Oh, they're short range. Fucking. All right, let's. You got C. All right.
Come
All we
on,
got to
come
do
on.
is be
They're gonna
defensive.
go
now.
around. Start. Yeah. Start kiting Noel.
So you guys just need to defend B. So if I were you, I'd be in... Yeah, just defend this area.
Oh yeah.
Let your destroyer be your eyes. They're gonna push around, so that's fine. That Turpit's gonna eat any of those torps? Ooh,
The Alabama might.
You gonna make it that far?
Seriously, let's make them come to us. Let's play defensive. Their whole fucking team is now heading to us. So
RF Chuck, you should be in full reverse.
Oh yeah, Chuck, turn around. Get your ass out of there.
What do you think?
Focus at Bama.
yeah, I'm trying to turn around myself because I need to get the fuck out of Dodge.
Torp's coming, guys.
Do what?
Fuck! I just turned and now I'm gonna hit
Torp's
every
coming.
one of them.
All we gotta do is hold the caps.
Oh my god, they just dodged me.
I'm gonna cap
They
it.
just literally died right in front of me.
That works. Yeah, Cap A, and we're just gonna
But the
play
problem
defense.
is that I'm now in a bad shape because I had to turn. I'm in a bad position.
Oh, lightning's coming up for a fight.
Did he beach? Oh, he's almost beached.
Almost beached.
Concentrate fire
Shoot that
on the
fucking DD.
target.
He's on fire.
Oh, he smoked up. Loser.
Oh, we got a problem, Houston. Here they coming around the corner.
Our victory.
We got
is
3
in sight.
caps. How did they fuck this up?
I don't know, I'm running away like
They
a
all went to where?
motherfucker.
There's no cap.
Because their entire team is focusing me, and I'm like... So I hope you all... I'm taking one for the team. Let's go, boys. They're all focused on me. Holy fuck.
Oh, well, now they're shooting me, just so if you feel any better about it.
No, they're still firing on fucking me.
Well, I feel better about that. All we gotta do is just chill.
Yep.
I'm trying to, but I can't. I got fires everywhere. I'm like fucking... Alright, I took one for the team. It's all good.
And their freaking DD is still alive. That's not cool.
That's okay, I got him. He's gonna.
Whatever. We have all the caps. Fuck him.
Oh, I got some hits on turrets pretty good, though.
Bye, lightning.
Smoke generator started.
I have 2,000 hit, but I don't have any hit points left. Never mind. I still did 75,000 K in damage, but I took one for the team. They're all farting around like y'all just hide and let's keep the caps. I did my part. I took one for the team.
That Baltimore's coming back.
Really, all you need to do is kill like one more, and it's with all the caps we have, they're toast.
Smoke screen set.
Bomber's trying
Anybody
to get
got shots on the turpets? Focus turpets if you get a shot.
Odin, I would hold back, Odin, and back up and wait for that bomber to come around that island before you do anything. I would slow the fuck down. Just saying, Chuck, I would back up a little bit and wait for that bomber to come around the island. Because you be careful, because he's got torps.
Goodbye, turpets, you piece of shit. There you go. Oh, we got this. This is cakewalk. They really screwed the pooch.
There you go, Chuck. Light that bitch up. Watch his torps, though.
Oh, Chuck's getting ready to get an assist from Rod.
Yeah, that's all right. He's full broadside. Oh, let's go! Oh, he's full broadside. Chuck, light him up!
Oh, I'm hydroed? How the fuck am I hydroed?
There it is! Oh! Did you miss, Chuck? Oh, it doesn't matter. We won.
Yeah.
Let's go. Yeah, please! Good.
I had to explain that, like I mentioned, talking about my coworker's stepkid there. So I had to explain to him, I said, just because we make jokes, and just because we're having fun, you can have fun with me. I'm bald, I'm short, I'm fat. You know, I can still kick your ass, so be careful. You know, you can make fun of me, but, you know, it's all in fun. We're not being disrespectful. I didn't say, you know, anything degrading. But this, yeah, these kids nowadays, they're so offended. They get hurt. It's terrible.
Enemy force sighted on the horizon. Smoke generator started. Smoke screen set.
Getting to their heads. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. I'll see if I can get torps on this this Prince Upert, whatever the fuck that thing is. I got something coming up on B though. There's something coming at me.
John Bark grounded.
Oh, did he? Nice. I'm trying to get around this island so I can hit him. Oh, the fucking dispersion with the ship.
That's a kid out there with us.
Yo, Black, you gotta get that bitch spotted, cause now I'm now being shot by the Rupert, Cleveland, fucking JB, and the Black. Excuse me, the kid.
So you got the kid over there.
Yeah, I'm getting shot at by every fucking one of them, including the Vladivostok. So y'all need to do something. I'm taking.
Watch this. Oh, please. Come on, take 3. Take 4. 4. Shoot the U-brick if you can't.
Taking one for the team here too. I got the whole fucking team firing on me. Make this shit count.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target. Torpedoes, dead ahead.
I got nothing. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on. Guys, make this count because...
Anybody got shots in that PU brick? We so low. Nice.
Smoke generator started.
One freaking torpedo hit. God damn it. Careful, Chuck. They're doing to you what they did to me, man. They're just everybody's focusing right on you. Literally, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ships focusing on you.
Oh my god, he's healing.
I guess just keep the caps.
He's back up to 10,000 health. That's unbelievable. There's a fire.
Salty, try to focus on that rubric. Get those flames on that rubric.
Behind an island. He's behind the island.
Oh, okay, I got you. All right, I thought maybe you had enough arc to get him.
Nah, he's too close. He's right behind it.
All right, I got you. That's fine.
I got 2 BBs on me right now.
He's about gone anyway, so.
I'm playing my game.
All good. He's about gone anyway. Oh, there's a hang.
Yes, he's gone.
Nice.
Okay, I'm gonna turn around and go down for C. Is that okay?
Listen, let's just watch the caps. We got a big lead.
Just defend A. Keep
Yeah, I was gonna say, get some reset on the A.
You got the slow yank towards what the fuck, man? Come on, get out of here.
Our victory is in sight. The ship is on fire.
Make a speed boost in 30 seconds.
Oh, that Vlad's got nothing left.
Nice.
Oh, nice.
Job.
Nice,
Beautiful.
nice, nice.
Well done.
Let's get that cap back. Get that JB. The Jean-Bart.
6 seconds for speed boost. I'm heading to C.
My hydro's running, so this Loyang is probably gonna come visible soon.
I don't know, I got a funny feeling that Loyang turned around. It's coming for me.
Prince Eugene, you got torps?
Yeah.
Nice.
Only on
What's
my
6?
right side though. 6 clicks only on my right side. I
I'll
gotta
say
go this way.
6 on 64, right? Typical German.
Oh, there's Loyang.
Oh, there it is, yeah. That JB is so close, you could torp the fuck out of that JB. Damn.
Yeah, but the Loyang's gonna get me.
I know, I see him. Still bitch slap him.
Loyang just fired on.
Get that hydro going if you got it.
Saw already running.
Nice. Still, that JB is so close, man.
Caesars, boys. Stay alive.
So just be careful, because that JB is like right there.
That kid's...
Oh, there's the kid too. Son of a bitch.
That's okay. I got him.
No, I'm looking at Salty. I'm like, fuck. If he can torp that JB, I mean, fuck. Oh, look at that. It's like, oh, my god, oh.
Our victory.
There you go, buddy. Oh, nice.
For me, they're both
Bye-bye, JB's gonna go right now. I see them torps. Get him right up the ass. Oh, nice.
Nice.
Swing. Get that Loyang. Oh, fuck.
$30 seconds.
Yeah, we got this in the bag. Good game, everybody.
Bye, kid.
Bye, Felicia.
Good game, folks.
Good game, everybody.
Good game. Really good game. Oh, I thought we'd be in the struggle. Well, I could do that again.